Today is finally the day. Just got home from work and I've been waiting for this all week long. Regardless, let me go ahead and show you guys what it is. Alright, it is pretty heavy, but here is my handy dandy box that I've been waiting all week for. So let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? I know, hasn't anybody ever told me not to run with scissors or a knife? But I can't hold back the excitement. So this is a big gift to myself, very up there in price. So it's like an expensive gift to myself. But I'm going to be using this very often, so I found it kind of worth it. It'll get me out of the house and have some fun with this thing. But the excitement's probably not as exciting for you guys since you already know what it is. But let me go ahead and show you. Okay, what can it be? Can you guys read that upside down? Flip this box around. It is a pint, a one-wheel pint. What is that exactly? Well, let's go ahead and open this box up even further and I'll show you guys what it is. Like I said, it's pretty heavy. So if you're gonna order one, note it is very protected. I mean, for the price you're paying, these things better be protected. All right, let's take a look at this box, shall we? Maybe you can get a hint on what's inside. Any ideas? Santa Cruz, built in San Jose, American made, and it's a fun-sized stoke machine. Okay, so here is my unboxing of my newly acquired pint, my one-wheel pint. So here's the overlook of the box, pretty clean, and as I already said, the packaging was very, very good. Shipping, it took about 5 days. So these are built in San Jose, and this was made up in Santa Cruz. That's where it was developed. And here's the box. So it even tells you right there, designed and assembled in California, American made. And just little facts that you should probably already know before buying one. Talks about all the features it has. And just here's a little drawing of what to expect on what's in this box. Again, this is again made by Future Motion. Little barcode here at the top, little serial number. So this was custom made. I went to the onewheelwebsite.com and ordered it from there. So I have a cool bundle deal going on, and yep. So that's what I went ahead and got. Let's get this box open. Life is about to get more awesome. Let's see if that's an understatement. And here is my pride and joy right here. So there's an owner's manual right there. And here's the board. I got the sand color. Is between that and a satin black. And here's the first time picking it up. Let's see how heavy this thing is. It's really not that bad. Like, I knew it was gonna have some weight to it, but I thought it was gonna have a little more weight than what I was expecting. So far, so good. Alright, so yeah, within that box was this box with the owner's manual. Let's see what else is in here. So, got some owner's manual, a couple stickers, one wheel and the pint logos. That's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure I can put that on something. Here is a charger, other end to it. And some business cards, it looks like. Very smart of them to do. I'll be carrying those in my wallet when I'm riding this thing around. And that's about it. And then here's my pint board itself. And to be honest, I thought it was all going to be in one box, but I am missing half of my order. So I custom made this little pint here. So the one I got, it has supposed to have orange bumpers, and it's going to have a fender that covers this wheel up, which I'll show you guys as soon as that box gets here. But here you go. It's basically a little go-kart wheel with a board. Alright. It's pretty simple. You lean forward on the board to go forward, you lean back to go backwards, and to stop as well. Yeah, there's your foot pad, front of the board. It's got a little carrying handle, which is, I think, newer for the pints. I think the pint's the newer version of the two boards that Onewheel sells. But yeah, here it is. Built pretty sturdy. There you go, Santa Cruz, Onewheel, California. Another pint right there. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and take this off. And underneath it exposes some good quality grip tape, which that's definitely going to be needed. Remove before riding, imagine that. And then here's your sensors right there. And here's your wheel. Not bad. Alright, day number 2 of officially trying to ride my Onewheel. I have the pint, and I've done some stuff around the house on the asphalt. So now I'm gonna go ahead and attempt this little soccer field out here and see if I can do it a little easier on grass. That way if I do fall, I have the nice comfort of grass other than nice sidewalks and pavements and things like that. So let's go ahead and hop on and get started. Alright, so far so good. Yeah, let's go ahead and buckle up again for safety first, and we'll go ahead and try to do it again. I'll show you guys the onboard experience of inside the grass. So there is a difference between this grass over here and the actual, like, not artificial turf, but like the turf of the soccer field. It's a lot more flat and controllable out there than out here. Out here it's a little more rugged, and got some holes and stuff like that. So a good variety of different features to go ahead and navigate through on here. Nice little lean forward, and we're off. Alright, so now we're on the turf side. Everything's looking pretty good. Oh, man. You can kind of see my tracks. Oops. Alright, that was a fail. This soccer grass is still a little wet and damp, and a little too mushy for the Onewheel. For the pint, at least. Doesn't really want to get it off. Take off and going. Been doing some nose dives and things like that. So we'll go ahead and test the harder terrain over here. Here's some sand. Eats through the sand. Little incline over here. Not bad, not bad. Pick up some speed. Let's go ahead back to the sidewalk. And there we go, back on the pavement. Pretty good, not bad of a test. So again, you want to loosen up your pressure on the front end, and it'll bring you to a slow stop. Do need to work on the dismount though.